Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be answering the questions: how many views do you need on YouTube before you start making money? And also later in this video, I'm also going to be talking about how you can also multiply your source of income on YouTube. So let's talk about it. Honestly, it's actually not about the views at all. It's actually more about the subscribers and the duration of time spent on your channel. Let me explain what I mean. You see those ads that do play on YouTube when you're watching a video that give you about 5 seconds before you can skip them? Yes, those adverts are how you as a YouTuber makes money. Now, before you can actually start having those on your channel as a YouTuber, you need to actually be part of the YouTube partnership program. But before you can become a YouTube partner, you actually need to pass YouTube's requirements at first. So basically what YouTube requires from you is at least 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 watch hours on your videos. So people need to watch your videos for at least 4,000 hours, and then you need to have at least 1,000 people subscribed to your channel before YouTube will then verify you and say, yes, you can be a partner with us, and then start getting money from adverts. So basically what that means is if you have a 10 minutes video and people watch it straight to the end, basically what you need is 400 views on that video to make 4,000 watch hours. So people need to watch that video to the end, and then you need 400 people to watch that your video to make 4,000 watch hours. And also if you have a 20 minutes video and people watch it to the end, obviously you cut that in half, and then all you need is 200 views, people watching your videos straight to the end, full 20 minutes, and then 200 of those people to watch your videos, and then you have 4,000 watch hours. But like I said, this doesn't have to be specific on one video. It can be a total of all the videos on your channel. So as you produce more videos, as you release more videos, the more people watch them for different amount of times, and then a total of that, once it's up to 4,000 watch hours, and then you have at least 1,000 subscribers, then you'll be verified on the YouTube partnership program, and then you can start making money from YouTube advert. So basically what you actually need to really worry about is keeping people engaged in your videos. So all you just need to do is create engaging videos and make videos that people would want to watch, because when you make a video that people actually want to watch, they'll watch it for a very long time, and then that will easily help you rack up 4,000 watch hours. It's actually not hard. As you keep getting more subscribers, your watch hours keep increasing. The more videos you make, your watch hours also keep increasing. So make more videos, make engaging videos, and then make videos that people want to watch. That's all you need. And then, tell them to subscribe as well, because that would also help you get to 1,000 subscribers. Okay, so that's one way to make money with YouTube, which is the YouTube partnership program, and those are the requirements. All right, so how do you start making money with YouTube even without being part of the YouTube partnership program? It's actually quite simple. You can either have a product or service that you sell, or you could also have a course that's part of having a product or service. And what you can also still do is partake in affiliate marketing. So basically, how do you actually do this? So it's actually quite simple. For example, if you have a product or you have a service or you have a course or whatever, right? What you just do is create a video about it on your channel and talk about it, right? And also after doing that, have a link to the video in your video description as well. So I'm sure you know what the video description is. Now, when you put the link over there, then those people that are actually interested will go there, click on the link, and then purchase your product or service. That's how you make money. So the more views you have, as you keep having views, right, then the more chances of people actually buying from you. Same deal goes with affiliate marketing, right? So if you have a product or you're affiliated with a company, you like their product, you really think it will actually help your subscribers, what you do is go to your channel, talk about the product. You could review it as you personally use it, review it, talk about it, whether negative or positive, just talk about it. Or you could compare it with another product, and then what you can do is have a link to those two products on your channel, and then once people like it or like either one, they'll go ahead, purchase it, and then you make money. So it's just that simple. So you don't actually have to be a part of the YouTube partnership program before you start making money. There are a lot of people that before they even start getting to 1,000 subscribers, even with little views as 300, 400 views, but because of the impact of that video that it has on the viewer's life at that moment, they would actually go ahead and make a purchase with that YouTuber's link, and then the YouTuber starts making money. It's just that simple. So you should start implementing this. So you don't need to get to 1,000 subscribers before you start making money, or 4,000 watch hours. Even with a few thousand watch hours, like 1,000 or 2,000 watch hours, that's enough people seeing your videos and watching it and being impressed with your video and then making a purchase. So you should definitely start doing that. Now, if you don't have a course or you don't have a product to sell, that's fine. You can just stick with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically a way for you to be able to sell a company's product for them, which is basically you're talking about the company's product, which is kind of you selling it, right? So if anybody is interested in it, they would actually go ahead and make a purchase to that product with your link, and then you make money. So that's just what affiliate marketing is. And if you don't know how to get started with affiliate marketing, you can just get started with first of all, you can get started with any product, right? So if you see a product that you're actually very interested in, you find a way to contact the company and ask them if they do affiliate marketing. If they do affiliate marketing, they will tell you how to get started with it. And once you get started with it, you can come to your channel, talk to your viewers about it, and then you make a commission from it. But also, if you don't have a specific company or you don't have a specific product, you can go to Amazon or you can go to Jumia, like we have in Africa here, right? They have thousands and hundreds of thousands and millions of products that you can search through and see the one you actually like. You can even buy these products and use them and then review them on your channel. If anybody's interested in it, the link is going to be in the description, right? And then they make a purchase, you make money. It's just that simple. So affiliate marketing isn't actually hard for you to get started with in this very day. So with that being said, if you want to learn how to make money with Jumia affiliates, I'll have a link below so you can get started with it. Click on that link, take you to the video, learn how to get started with it. And also, if you do not have Jumia in your country, but you have Amazon in your country, then what you do is quickly do a Google search, right? Amazon affiliates. You will definitely see a link on how to get started and sign up. Signing up with Amazon affiliate is free. So any product on Amazon, you can talk to your viewers about it. And then if they're interested in that product, you make money. And also, I also like to say, right, that as a new YouTuber, do not be discouraged, because one thing you should know is that when you're a new YouTuber, you may not be getting a lot of views, but as time goes on, the more views you're going to get, because the longer your videos stay on the platform, the more views they are likely to get, as long as they are good videos, by the way. Obviously, there are things that you can do to your videos right now to start getting it more views sooner rather than later, like having a great thumbnail, having it optimized for the YouTube search engine, so that way whenever a potential viewer is searching for a keyword, your video is among the first ones that pops up for the viewer to see, right? So things like that are things that you can actually do, and then you start getting views on your videos sooner rather than later. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, I've spoken about this on my channel, so I'm going to have link playlists to it, so you can just go ahead and watch that. They're all going to be in the description below. All right, so now that you know what to do to start making money on YouTube, I want you guys to let me know in the comment section below. What is your channel about? Give me a brief story about your channel, and then if I, amongst others, are interested in that or are interested in what you do, we'll definitely be a subscriber to your channel. You know, that way we help each other grow. So let me know in the comment section down below, and that'll be pretty cool. For more YouTube tips and ways in which you can grow your YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button below and click on the notification bell right next to it. So that way when I release a new video, you'll be the first to be notified when that happens. I release new videos every week as well. Alright guys, so that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys soon. Cheers.